start the shootout. The chance to put it away, and he couldn't find the back of the net. Gilbert ends up the skate. What a break they got. That guy's a scorer, and he didn't put it home. Takes the first shooter, second round. What a save. Stahl's looking to get one on the board here in the shootout. Nobody's done it yet. Great opportunity, glove save. Moses tough to stop. Look at that shot. Oh, what a score. Carolina's got a score on the ice. The opportunity's lost. It's over. Well, you want to talk about all or nothing? There you go.